new Ford Focus ST Edition delivers responsiveness suitable for the road and the racetrack thanks to its racecar-style adjustable suspension, Brembo front brakes, and EcoBoost power. The specifications encompass the features that Focus ST buyers most want for the best day-to-day comfort. Standard features include B&O audio, the driver assist pack, and the winter pack. The eye-catching special edition exclusivity of this car is further enhanced by its unique motion blue interior stitching and Azura Blue exterior with high-gloss black details. The Focus ST Edition is the pinnacle of usable and practical performance. It was created to reward passionate drivers with racing reactions at the circuit, while providing the creature comforts of a high-spec family car for the school run or commute. The Focus ST Edition, which is now available for purchase in several areas, merits its sports technologies label thanks to its cutting-edge features, which include an adjustable coilover suspension system with Ford performance tuning that lets enthusiasts customize driving dynamics to their tastes. Aerospace component manufacturing also use a flow-forming technique to create alloy wheels. Brembo front brakes provide strong and reliable stopping power lap after lap. Ford's 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine produces 420 Nm too. 3 of torque for strong in-gear acceleration and 280 PS 2. 3 of acceleration from 0 to 100 km per hour, 0 to 62 miles per hour, in 5.7 seconds. With the most popular option packs from the Focus ST range included as standard for speedy escapes on icy winter mornings, effortless interstate driving, and quality audio for road trip soundtracks. The Focus ST Edition is as comfortable bringing owners to a track day as it is capable of being once they arrive. Produced by motorsport experts KW Automotive, the two-way adjustable coilover suspension system has powder-coated springs and twin-tube stainless steel damper housings. For better balance and control, the Focus ST has been lowered 10 mm in the front and rear compared to the normal model. The user can increase the drop by an additional 20 mm. More than 50% more spring rates are available than with the regular Focus ST. To enable performance driving aficionados customize their driving experiences, the Focus ST Edition comes with a technical manual that offers recommended suspension settings for a range of driving circumstances, including special settings for the Nordschleife. At every corner of the car, the 19-inch alloy wheels, which are lightweight, decrease unsprung mass by 10%. Flow forming, a method of building wheels, compacts the aluminum alloy to maintain its tensile strength and improve shock resistance while utilizing less material. Because of their lower mass, the wheels can change direction more quickly, hugging the surface profile of the road or track. This enhances the grip of the high-performance Pirelli P0 Corsa tires, resulting in optimal acceleration, braking, and cornering.